Hey guys, welcome to this iOS 18 guide, and here I will detail how to change icons on iPhone iOS 18. So if you are still using the default icons on all your applications on your iPhone, including the help library, then this video is going to walk you through how you can easily change the icons on your iPhone running the latest iOS 18. So if you don't know this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to change icons on iPhone iOS 18, all you just need to do is press and hold the iPhone home screen just like this. Then you should see all the applications checking. Now, go ahead and click on the edit button at the top left. This. Once you click on that, you should see three menu comes up. On the three menu, locate, customize, and this will take you to where you can easily change or customize your home screen icons. Now, you have light, dark, automatic, and tinted. Now, if you want to change the icons on your iPhone iOS 18 to dark, just click on dark. And all the application you have installed on your iPhone will change to dark. And if you have a different color in mind, just repeat the process. Customize, and here, click on tinted. Here you have option to combine two or more colors to form the app icons you have on your iPhone home screen, like this. So you can just combine different colors, or better still, come here and click on this edit button at the top right on the color spectrum, and then you'll be able to choose which app icon you want to set as your app icon using the cycle. And then once selected, you can just go ahead and click on outside, and this is going to affect the entire app icon on your iPhone. So just follow through this to set your app icon on your iPhone to dark mode or tinted mode. Once done, go ahead and click outside. So that is basically how to change icons on iPhone iOS 18. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.